Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I'm bringing you another holiday makeup look. I've already done one holiday makeup look this year and I have so many others from years past, but I wanted to do something new. I was inspired by Jamie Genevieve. A while back she did a look featuring purple eyes and a red lip. And I would never think of combining those two colors, but it looked unreal. So I wanted to try that out. I thought there's no better time to try this out than for holiday season if you want to get super glam and you just want to pile on all the makeup on your face. This is the perfect look for you. If you're more into natural makeup, then definitely go check out my other video. It's meant to be quicker and more natural, but this one is gonna be all about the glam. We're gonna be playing with color and I'm so excited. If you're looking for some super glam holiday makeup look you can wear to all your holiday parties, this is a video for you. Keep on watching. Okay, because it's more of a dramatic, colorful look, we're doing eyes first. I always do my eyes first anyway, but especially when it comes to more dramatic looks, it's important. First things first, we're priming with the Milani eyeshadow primer. This is in 01 Nude. And just applying this all over the lids. And while I am in the priming stage, I do want to prime my face because I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this one does need a bit of settling into the skin. So I'm just gonna apply a few pumps of this all over the skin. Okay, now let's continue with the eyes. For today's look, I really dug into my collection and found what I had so that I can make it work. So I'm gonna be using like various different eyeshadows, most of them discontinued. I'm using a Colourpop discontinued eyeshadow. And I'm also going to be using a few of my singles. I have like a variety of singles here from Makeup Geek all the way to Morphe and Colourpop. So I'm just gonna, be using what I have, and you can dig through your collection and use what you have. That's the beauty of makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my lids with a bone color. And because we're doing a purple eye, I'm gonna go in with cooler tone eyeshadows. Obviously that complements purple better. So for starters, I'm using this like mauve shade. It's called Petal Pusher from Makeup Geek. I don't know if it exists anymore, but it's just a mauve, like a soft mauve shade. This is gonna go all over my crease as a transition. And once that's blended into the crease, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Tinsel. I think this has been discontinued, but I'll try to look for like similar colors. This is basically just like a metallic purpley shade that isn't, it's bright, but it isn't too intensely purple, and I think this will work perfectly for what we're trying to accomplish. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid with my fingers. And then I'll slowly start to blend up with a fluffy brush. Okay, so once that is blended out, I'm still gonna go in with a little something extra to make this a little more dimensional and more purple, but I'm really loving how it's looking right now. It looks purple, but it isn't overwhelmingly purple, if you know what I mean. So I just want to add a little bit more dimension. I'm using the Inglot AMC Pure Pigment eyeshadow in 112, which I really like. And this is a very light purple shade. So I'm just gonna grab very little product and just gonna stamp it on top of my lid to intensify the purpleness. Okay, so the top lid, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Like it's purple, it's sort of intense, but it's not crazy. But I think I wanna add a little bit of the Colourpop shade to the outer half of my lower lash line. We'll just see how this looks. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Okay, that didn't do too much of a difference, but oh well, who cares. Now, just to add a little bit more depth to the look, I'm gonna go in with a black liner. I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Whatever Black. And I'm just going to be tightlining the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm just gonna be smoking out the outer corner of my lid, basically. For the inner corner, I just want something with a little bit of shimmer just to make it stand out a little bit. So I think I'm going to go in with the Inglot pigment and a little bit of like a highlighting shade so that it isn't too purple. There we go. Now all that's left to do is lashes. You guys know that you can do falsies if you feel like you need to. I don't like falsies, so I'm just gonna go with my tried and true Tom Ford Badass Mascara, which is my baby, and just pile this on. We wanna make the lashes super dramatic to match the feel of the look. Okay, and after mascara is on, then the eyes are complete. Let's move on straight to the face, shall we? Okay, so for the face, we've already primed with a Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation, the By Beauty Change Maker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations of life. It's one of the only ones I ever really reach for because it doesn't really feel like a foundation. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my face, being very generous today. We're going a little more full coverage than usual. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Almond, one of my favorite concealers for fuller coverage. And I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes mainly, and if I just feel like I need some extra coverage everywhere else. Now to set everything, I'm using my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. This is my favorite powder of life, especially if I'm gonna be glamming up because it isn't very heavy. And I'm just gonna be setting my entire face because we're oily, babes. We are oily as shit. For bronzer, I'm throwing it back and using Hoola Bronzer, which is one of the best bronzers out there. I like it, but I rarely ever reach for it, so we're bringing it back today. And I'm just going to be bronzing the skin up. Everywhere where the sun naturally hits, we're bronzing, baby. For blush, I want to go with something a little more neutral, not too peachy, because the eyes are already very purple and we're doing a red lip. I'm going to go in with the Nude Sticks Nudies Matte All Over Face blush color in Body Language, which is a very, like, standard pink blush. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Glossier Play Highlighter Concentrate in Pale Pearl. I know this has been discontinued, but just like any standard highlighter will do, this is just the first one I grabbed. So we're just applying this to the highest points of the cheeks. Now for brows, I'm going to be filling them in with the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen and Brunette. You guys know I really, really like this. So I'm just going to do that and then we'll set. And then to set the brows, I'm going to go in with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I love this so much, and it's just going to make my brows look so much better. Okie dokie, and last but not least, we got to do the red lip. The most intimidating part, but first I'm gonna be lining with my Make It Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao that I love, and we're just gonna be lining. You can also do like a red liner or a nude liner, whichever liner you think will help you achieve this look best. I'm sticking to this one because it makes my lips look a little bit plumper. For my red lip, I'm going in with my trusty Make It Forever Color Sensational Red For Me lipstick, which is just this beautiful blue tone red color, which you guys know I freaking love. So okay, and after approximately 45,000 years, the red lip is done, and the look is finally complete. Okay, you guys, and this is the final look. I am obsessed with this color combo. I feel very Jessica Rabbit-esque. Oh my god, I would have never thought of pairing these two colors together, but I think they're working. They're working so well. I cannot stop staring at myself. You guys, I'm so impressed. I love this look so much, and I would have never thought of doing it for holiday, but I think it's so appropriate, especially if you have brown eyes like me, because I feel like this is making my brown eyes pop so much. So if you have brown eyes, make sure to try this look. Did I overline the lips a lot? Yes, I did. I overlined them a lot. Who cares? Not me. This is a great look. I'm so happy with the results. I feel so good right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, you guys, and that is a wrap on this look. Probably my favorite holiday look I've ever done. In my holiday look last year, I said that, but this year, oh my god. Thank you so much to Jamie Genevieve for the inspo. Hers was obviously a lot more dramatic, and you can make yours a lot more dramatic too. You guys know I like to stick to more natural makeup, but this is very glam for me. This is very glam. I feel great. I feel confident. Oh my goodness, what is this look doing to me? I'm obsessed. If you enjoyed this video and you liked this look, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. It helps my channel grow. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content, then please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you'd be getting videos every single week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I had tons of fun. And I hope to see you right here for my next one, okay? I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah!